Today we will learn how to organize our data in a matrix. Our standard for the day is evaluate the result of matrix operations such as addition, multiplication and scalar operations when defined. Our objective is students will be able to add or subtract matrices of different order. Our essential question of the day is how can I add, subtract matrices of m by n order? What is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of terms called elements. The elements of a matrix are arranged in rows and columns and are usually enclosed by brackets. Equal matrices. Two matrices are equal if and only if they have the same dimensions and are identical element by element. So what I explained earlier to you is I explained a matrix is a rectangular array of terms which terms called elements. So as you can see these numbers over here 2, -3, 5, 0, 6, 8, -1, 2, 7. These are called what? These are called elements. All of these numbers which are inside this are called what? Elements. These are called elements. Now we will go with the definitions. Okay, the elements of the matrix are arranged in rows and columns. Now this is called row. All of these elements are arranged in this horizontal direction. These are called rows. So how many rows are in this matrix? There are 3 rows in this matrix over here. So this is called what? This is called rows. This is called what? Row, R-O-W. Arranged in rows and columns. Now columns, these numbers are also arranged in vertical columns like this. So when I'm writing this, these are called columns. I have how many columns? I have 3 columns over here. This is called column. So this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns and are usually enclosed in brackets. So if I'm writing another example of matrix, if I will draw 2 brackets over here and I write over here x, y, z, let's write j, this is called matrix. How many rows are in this matrix? There are 2 rows in this matrix. How many columns are here? There are 2 columns in this matrix. This is called matrix. So I can write another example over here. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called matrix. Now, if in case you write it like this, and I write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or something, this is not matrix. So you have to be cautious. This is not a matrix. You have to be cautious. You have to draw a bracket like this. You cannot draw like this. You cannot draw like this. You have to only draw like this. This is an example we are using 2, 5, 6. That's an example of matrix. We will watch a YouTube video to learn how to organize data in matrix. The link of the video is posted in your Verge, or you can copy and paste also link from here. Question says write the dimensions of each matrix. Now this is a matrix given to us and this is over here. So first number this means row, and the second number over here it means column. So they want you to find the element which is in second row. So if I will go over here, this is my first row, this is my second row and first column. So there is only one column. So they are asking for this answer. So the answer for this is -4. Remember, first number represents a row, second number represents a column. So the formula for dimension is this. Dimension is equal to row by column. Now do not multiply the two numbers. You just write this is known as by, row by column. So the dimension of this is what? This matrix, how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 3 rows And how many columns? Only one column. So the dimension is what? 3 by 1 of this matrix. Now again in this case we will write the dimension of this matrix. So dimension formula is what? Dimension formula is row by column. So how many rows are over here in this? I can see one horizontal, one row, second row, third row. So this is my third by column. How many columns I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Please do keep in mind when I say column, I mean all of these three numbers coming in this column over here. This is my column. How many columns I have? 4 columns. So dimensions of this matrix is 3 by 4. Now we also have to find the value of a 2/3. So what is a 2/3? A 2/3 means you have to go to second row. So second row is this one, and third column. So third column means this is first column, this is second column, third column. Now between these two, tell me which is the number which is coming common. So if I will use a different color over here, it will be easier for you to figure out which number is coming common, both of them. So if you are paying proper attention, this is the number which is coming common in this circle and this one. So your answer is 4 over here.